everybody, welcome back to my channel, and Happy New Year! Today I will be showing you how to do a simple abstract nail art look that has been trending all over social media. And there is new content every day on my Instagram account that I'm constantly sharing both on my feed and on my story. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check my Instagram account out. You can search BEOBEE nails, and when you're there, remember to hit that follow button so you can see what I do every day on my story. Now without further ado, let's get started. Remember to like this video and click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click that bell button to get notifications for any new videos that I post. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram at BOB Nails. That's BEOBEE Nails. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!